Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Britney Louise. If you are new, what's up? Hey, how you doing? Hey, hello. So guys, today we are going to do a fun, quick video. I was going through my makeup drawers and I just found a bunch of products that I don't think I have shown on my channel before. Some products are new, some products are old, and I just haven't shown you guys on my channel. So I wanted to create a pretty close enough holiday look with these products, and I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about them. So if you like this look, definitely stay tuned. We are going to go ahead and get started with this video. Before we get started with this video, I'm going to politely ask, politely asking that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up. All right guys, let's go ahead. So the first thing that I'm going to place on my face is the Touche Eclat Bleu by Yves Saint Laurent. My French is horrible, so judge me now. It is so nice. It's light. It just melts right into the skin and it just helps fill my pores really well. Something else that I have never shown on my channel, I have no idea why. One of my favorite foundations, the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear 24 hour, and I'm not wearing foundation for 24 hours, but it is a fantastic foundation. You don't need a lot either. I just put just like a dab on my sponge and just blend that right out. I love this color. It is one of my favorite go-to foundations. The color is perfect on my skin tone, and I don't ever have to fight with the Lancome Teint Idole. So next I'm going to go into my concealer. It is Lancome. I cannot even pronounce this and I'm not going to try. My Qui Complete. Y'all, the color is caramel. It is also a Lancome concealer. I love it to brighten under the eyes, and it is really nice. It's not drying under the eyes. You hear like random noises or cars. It's just because I'm filming during the day and it is pretty busy around our street sometimes. So I've already lightly contoured, did my first round of contouring. What I'm going to do now is show you two new products that I have not shown on my channel before, and they are both fairly new. This is Lancome Long Time No Shine, their setting powder in the color Deep. This is Laura Mercier's translucent loose setting powder in the Glow. I'm just going to tap and set underneath my eyes, pushing it in my skin. And less is probably more with this product. I would definitely focus this more in the center of the face. Now, again, I'm going to dip into the Lancome setting powder in the color Deep. Help bring some more warmth back into my skin. And while I'm letting that sit, I'm going to do my eyebrows. Okay guys, I am back. I have also prepped my eyes with Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Eye Primer. I didn't show it on camera because I've shown this product on my channel before, and then also it takes a minute for this to set. Another thing that I have not shown on my channel yet is the ColourPop Rendezvous palette, complete with 12 shades. No mirror in this palette. I haven't shown this palette on my channel. I bought it like a couple of weeks ago. I believe it's exclusive to Ulta stores only, but I wanted to do a holiday look with this palette because I think it is just so cute. I'm going to start off with Shake It Off and the crease of my eye. And I'm just like randomly winging this, guys. I have no idea what look I'm going to do today. I don't know if I'm gonna make it dramatic or not. More than likely I am, because most of my life is drama, so the eyes have to be drama too. One thing I have always loved about ColourPop is that when I say these colors pop, they are just really cute and gorgeous. Next, I'm going to dip in the color Textual and just kind of blend both colors together in the crease. I'm gonna take a clean brush, nothing on them, so I'm not adding any more color, making it like crazy dramatic. So now I'm just focusing on blending the two together. I'm going to dip into Catch, you know, like Catch These Hands. I'm going to place that on the outer eye area and just kind of blend it in. I'm just patting that and blending it up. Next, I'm gonna go in with Our Secret and kind of blend right in there with Catch. The last shimmer I'm going to dip into is Two Birds. I'm gonna put that right in the corner there. Just kind of pat it like so. So I'm gonna put on my eyeliner really quick, my lashes really quick. I will be right back. We are going to finish out this look, okay? Okay, guys, so I actually lied to you. I need to show you. Oh, there we go. Okay, so these lashes here are by Kiss. They're their Lash Couture Faux Mink collection. I love these lashes, you guys. They are a great price point for the times that you are just like, I do not feel like spending $30 on lashes. They don't look like lamb chops lashes at all, like some of Kiss old lashes that they used to have. Or they still have those. Don't use those. We're gonna go back into the Rendezvous palette and I'm going to dip into the color Release and just kind of smoke that underneath. I don't know, guys, what would you say? Would you say this is a holiday look? It kind of reminds me of summer, but it's still festive though. It's still festive. I'm gonna go back in with Shake It Off and kind of just go right in the corner there underneath that teal and kind of add just a little bit of depth. One thing I have not shown you guys is the Dior Backstage Glow Face palette. I don't know if anybody's talking about it. I don't know if people have talked about it at all, but it is so fire. I'm just like literally just stamping. It just gives like a really nice wet finish. So with my lips, this is kind of a really out there finish. My god, the glow is ridiculous. I'm gonna finish with a nice like gray lip. I'm gonna use MAC's in My Fashion. And then I am going to do Smashbox liquid lipstick in Chill Zone. I am a bold look diva, so if this is something that is not for you, I understand. You don't have to use every single eyeshadow I did. You don't have to use a gray lip finish, but all of it just comes together like so seamless. Now, last but not least, that I have not shown you guys on this channel, and I've had it for a while, is the How Many Carats All Over Diamond Veil. I had this on my wedding day, and I was so in love with it. Like, so in love, y'all. You don't need a lot. Me and my little puff ball is ready for life. So if I had a holiday party to go to, I think that this look is ravishing, darling. Like, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.